In the following video, we visualize the proposed modification and extension of the Hilltop Moringa Farm in Calintaan, Occidental Mindoro, to acquire HACCP compliance for FDA approval.
The current state.
At present, the facility consists of two main sections. Firstly, the leaf sorting and washing area. A mesh-covered, open wood structure on top of a concrete slab. And the leaf drying and processing room, a single-floor, masonry concrete building. Currently, parts of the building are embedded into a sloped terrain.
Our HACCP compliance design proposal.
An additional floor is established on top of the existing building. All floor facilities can be accessed by a new exterior stairway. A second stairway, completely isolated from the outside, leads from the first floor to the work area. A new, exterior silo made from stainless steel functions as the point of delivery for the freshly harvested moringa leaves. The leaf sorting and washing room will be established as a solid masonry structure. The required personnel resting rooms and sanitary facilities will be located in the first floor. The adjacent terrain around the farm will be leveled according to the construction requirements. A storage room with a small office is proposed in a central location between the different sections of the plant.
The storage room and the office.
The total storage capacity for the processed and packed moringa products is about 14 cubic meters or 500 cubic feet. Windows in the office allow the management personnel to monitor the leaf harvesting area and the inside of the sorting and washing room. The window to the drying and processing room also functions as a hatch through which the packed products can be transferred into the storage.
Facilities on the first floor.
Centrally located and easily accessible from the outside, is the changing room for the workers. Besides a well-spaced area with lockers, the personnel also have access to toilets and wash basins. Two furnished rooms, a bathroom with showers, and a small kitchen provide sufficient recreational space for the workers during the breaks.
Access to the production site for workers.
To safeguard a HACCP-compliant production facility, the different sections of the plant need to be physically separated from each other, and cross-contamination with dirt and parasites must be avoided by design. The two proposed stairways to and from the central changing room always ensure the separation of the outdoor and the indoor workforce. At the beginning of their shift, all workers enter the changing room through the exterior stairway. After the personnel have changed the clothes, outdoor workers use the same stairway to exit into the exterior, while indoor workers access their work area through the second stairway.
Access to indoor work areas.
Personnel that is assigned to the drying and processing room passes through the sorting and washing area to enter the workspace.
Delivery of the moringa leaves.
To safeguard that outdoor workers cannot come in direct contact with the indoor areas. A lockable silo for the moringa leaves made from stainless steel will be constructed at the outside of the sorting and washing room. Harvesters open the silo, deposit the leaves and close the lid again to protect the content from contamination and rain.
Leaves entering the sorting and washing room.
A silo is constructed in a way that allows the indoor personnel to unload as many leaves as required at a given time.
Transfer of cleaned leaves to the drying and processing room.
After the moringa leaves have been sorted, washed, and drained, they are loaded into a silo that is connected to the drying and processing room. The workers in the drying and processing room remove the required amount of leaves from the silo, spread them out on drying trays, and place them inside the prepared racks.
Transfer of processed and packed products to the storage.
After the leaves have been dried, processed, and packed, the finished product is transferred to the storage room, through the hatch that connects the two areas.
This concludes the visualization of the proposed modification and extension of the Hilltop Moringa Farm in Calintaan, Occidental Mindoro. Thank you for your attention.